Alright, I'm gonna FPV fly my quad. My goggles ready. This is where I'm gonna fly. Just at a school baseball field. Not too many people around. The wind's blowing this way at 20 miles an hour, I guess. Constant. Hopefully it'll be okay for the quad. I think it will. Alright, this will be the first time I've flown first person. I had to get used to it. It was definitely a windy day, 20 to 30 mile an hour constant wind. So it was definitely kind of hard to do. You can see it was pushing me over the ball field. So I'm trying to come back. Here I'm leaning into the wind. Definitely a beautiful day outside. Oh, going down a little bit too quick. Whoa! Boom! That wasn't too bad of a landing. A little rough. At that point, I was pretty excited to get up in the air, and I just wanted to land it and then take off again. At this moment, I was really exciting. I decided to go way over here to check my motors to make sure they're all straight, do some testing. I landed kind of hard, sometimes it turns the motors. So I'm testing it out right now. And also I wanted to be over here to make sure I was away from anything else. Just to be on the safe side, don't have to worry about it. I noticed that it was kind of turning. So at some point I actually did turn the motor a little bit to fix that. So I'm kind of turning to the right, so I'm trying to adjust it. One of these days I'll get good at it. I'll be pretty fluent, but right now, just experimenting. So right now I'm looking at the motors to try to tell if they're straight. I'm gonna fix it. They might actually be straight at that moment. It was just that windy. It kept on turning me. It would definitely be exciting to do this with some other people and teach them. It'd be really neat. I haven't really seen anyone else in Idaho do any RC stuff. I'm sure there are, but I just haven't seen any. being close to the grass is kind of a cool visual. I try to fly low, but the wind gusts were just too hard. Kind of forced me to get up higher. Wish the wind was more consistent. Yeah, it did a lot of bouncing. Looks like my wires got in the way there from hitting the ground. This should be round 2. Practicing turning around a little bit. It's definitely a different way of flying, but I'm going to have more control, and once I get good at it, it's going to be a lot more efficient and safer to fly this way. Just going up and trying to record myself. It's kind of neat. It was really weird because as I was flying over myself, I can hear the quad, the wind flapping and, you know, just flying over my head around me. It was definitely a neat experience. Whoop. The wind's really blowing me around. I wouldn't have been able to fly my plane. I would have crashed it. At least this I can fly in the wind. I'm just looking back at myself practicing. Kinda neat. See my own shadow of the quad. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. Can't wait to check out my video. Hopefully from hitting the ground I didn't lose part of my videos. Walking back, got my stuff.
absolutely beautiful day. I was talking to some kids over there. They were excited to get into the hobby. Kind of neat. Offered them to teach them how to fly if they wanted, or to build their own and then fly it. It'd be pretty cool. It's always fun to teach people. Mountains are beautiful here.